Welcome to Emery Laser, where precision and innovation converge. Our experienced team is at the heart of transforming your visions into meticulously crafted realities. With laser technology at our fingertips, we ensure every cut reflects the pinnacle of precision to meet your requirements. Emery specialises in creating quick quotations and meticulously verifying all customer-supplied drawings in Solidworks, aiming to make your experience seamless and efficient. We can convert your laser cut designs into final components ready for you to input into your finished products. From advanced laser cutting to expert bending and welding, we offer a full spectrum of services, all underpinned by our commitment to excellence and collaboration. Emery Laser is more than a service provider, we're your partner in creation.